back with another video. It's been a minute, it's been like 3 weeks. It's super late. Right now we're gonna go race a Scat Pack and we're gonna go race a full bolt-on Veloster N. We're on our way. We just gotta obviously go to Mexico. So it'll be 5 minutes away. We're gonna meet up with them and we'll see them there. The hit, but eventually I reeled them in and passed them. We did a 5.0 with the 5.0 again from a 40. From there I had like just like kind of walked them, and then right there we did like it was like a 50 with the Scat Pack and the 5.0, and yeah, I basically just kind of started pulling. It was closer than I expected though, so we're gonna run it with the N right now and see how that goes. Just gotta do a U-turn real quick.
such a bully. That was so mean.
Hey, I drove a V6 Mustang. I'm enjoying this. I had that V6 for a long time. Alright, I think we're gonna run with the end. Yeah, I was like a little dragged right there, huh?
Yeah.
I was at like 3,500 RPM, so they got the jump. This end is quick though. It pulled on me for a little sec for a bit there.
Good.
It sounds good, huh?
Yeah. That's the same one from last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're just gonna say what's up to everybody, see what they've got.
I didn't do too bad for some, you know, 242.
Oh,
shit. And that was 240, yeah, you guys. Not bad for having no torque, dude. Yeah. I kept up surprisingly well for just, like, I thought I was going to get like... Yeah, bro, it's the torque. Torque is what wins races.
Who owns the 5.0?
Like, this car's torquey, this car's torquey.
Yeah.
I think I'm probably
over
like
there?
300 something wheel torque. I don't know.
I'm only 318, so...
Yeah, I'm probably around there.
Hey bro, this is stock?
Yeah, that's stock.
Hey, it's quick.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, dude.
I just called my
392 hem.
Oh, I'm fucking dirty and shit.
It's manual too, huh?
Automatic.
It's
yeah,
automatic?
he is stock headers.
Oh,
Do you have a
shit.
tuner or anything?
He is?
Hold on, I got it.
Hey, Luis was, I don't know if he said it was you who told him, but I guess you can't like modify these at all?
Oh no, you can't.
For real, for real?
Yeah.
Why?
Just because I think they're pushed to the max already.
Shit.
I mean,
And then you owe the 5.0, huh?
5.7. 5.7's modified. But these
So
not.
it's a poured out 5.7 basically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you do to your car?
It's bone stock.
It's bone stock?
Yeah, what are you in?
So how did it go?
It's the Shelby.
Oh, you drive the GT.
How did it
Yeah.
go?
It was close, but I beat him at the end.
I love it.
Yeah. Just once horsepower kicks in, it just goes over, yeah.
Oh yeah, that thing.
No, but he took off on me at first.
Yeah.
Because I was probably at like, just
wait,
under.
hold on.
Yeah, the first one, like, I wasn't really ready, but yeah, it's
Yeah,
No, yeah,
I
same.
blipped the hazards as a joke, and then he pulled on me. I was like, okay. I was like, okay, now I know my place.
No, but that was a good race.
How many times did you guys run it? You two?
Like 3 or 4?
Like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think on that last one, I kind of pulled on you, but
Yeah.
you're reeling me, eh?
Yeah.
So, less than I would have.
Yeah, it was good. It was a good race.
These were good ones tonight.
I was
yeah.
debating on coming too, but it was worth it.
Some good ass content.
Catch it with the Veloster, bro.
Yeah.
I couldn't
Dude,
find it.
Hey.
I was like slowing down with the Challenger. I'm like, okay, I gotta wait for the Veloster. And I just never saw you. I was like, all right.
Hey, is the 5.0 automatic or manual?
No, it's manual.
Oh hell yeah, good for you, dude. I thought it was automatic because that shit was keeping up.
Nah, it's manual.
Yeah, you're a good driver.
Shit out of me.
It's the only way, huh?
Like I probably should chill out a little bit because I'd just be like hammering it like there's no tomorrow when I probably shouldn't.
Yeah. But fuck it, it is what it is.
What year is there?
So these make 440?
Yeah, they make 435 per inch.
435.
Depending on the dyno, it's like right around 400 wheels.
I skipped over the 5.0. I had a V6 for like years, dude, and then I just hopped up straight to the Shelby.
I've had shit boxes my whole life.
Yeah.
And then I finally got something nice.
Yeah.
I want you to race my brother, though.
What's your brother? Oh, his speed?
Yeah, his speed.
Can you drive? Like good? Like can you shift fast?
I mean, bro, like, he's pretty good, yeah.
When? I mean, just tell me when and I'm there. I like racing.
Hey, tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll tell him.
Yeah, let me know when. So yeah, just send me my shit.
Pop the hood.
Hot.
Bro? Nah, you're lying. Luis told me. So full bolts on yet?
Yeah.
Like what have you done?
Downpipe, deep tick, and
Oh, not a big turbo yet?
nah.
Is this a 3.5 or 4?
I think 3.5.
Oh, okay. Does it taper down?
Yeah. They have a turbo inlet.
How much can these like take on the
Stock turbo?
not the stock turbo on
David?
yeah.
Around 400.
Oh shit. No, that's good for this little like car.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. Like I always tell Uli, you know my cousin, the one with the blue.
Yeah, yeah.
I always tell him that like if I had the money, I'd have that one and I'd have this one. I don't know. I fuck with these heavy.
I want to get the Antra and
Yeah, he said he wants to get that one for his wife.
like a Kona and
Yeah. Did you guys get to run it?
Cool.
You too.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
Pretty even.
Yeah. That's crazy. It's that KDM.
power.
Hell yeah. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video. It's super late. I work at like 7 a.m. That was the nice little cruise. Finally got to race the Scat Pack. It was close, but not at the same time. If that makes sense. See you in the next video.